Welcome back, editors. Today I bring a new preset of Fictic edit style VipFx Lightning McQueen edit on Alight Motion. This edit is remake like After Effects. Your support keeps motivate me to bring new preset. Thanks for your support. If this banger hits 300 likes, then I drop the preset. Let's check the preview.